Tactical Personal Space, Defense Management. The world is becoming a hostile place. Walking to the car after a day's work or coming home from school can be a dangerous affair. Self-defense training is vital. It is no longer an extracurricular activity. The Women's Tactical Defense course provides you the information to survive an assault. It allows you to subdue your attacker while keeping you away from harm. This course teaches you 1. How to study your environment. 2. How to differentiate between a brawl and self-defense. 3. 5 effective yet simple self-defense moves. 4. How to de-escalate a potentially violent scenario. 5. How to read body language. 6. How to use your assailant's strength against them. 7. How to use self-defense tools and weapons. This course is ideal for stay-at-home moms, college students, business professionals, athletes, anyone needing basic self-defense skills.